Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 1. The document in which the internal regulations of a limited liability company are stated is known as A. Articles of Association, B. Certificates of Incorporation, C. Deed of Partnership, D. Memorandum of Association, E. Prospectus. So let's take a look at each of the options to see which one best suits this description given to us in the question. So an article of association is a document that contains the rules and regulations as well as the bylaws of a company. So any form of company. Now option B, which is certificate of incorporation, is a document issued by the registrar of companies. Now this is done to certify their registration. And then option C, which is deed of partnership, is a document that contains an agreement or basically an agreement that details the rights and obligations of each partner in a venture. Then option D, memorandum of association. Option D, which is memorandum of association, is a document that basically contains the basic details and objectives of a company. Then lastly, the prospectus is a document designed to provide information and full details about an investment offering for sale to the public. So now option A, which is articles of association, talks about being a document containing the regulations, the rules and regulations of a company, of any kind of company. And the question asks for documents which contains the internal regulations of a limited liability company, which is also a form of a type of company. So article of association contains the regulations of a company. Therefore the correct answer is option A, which is articles of association. So please subscribe to these YouTube channels for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.